Welcome to the third meditation in this series. We tap into the solar plexus, also known as the manipura chakra, where we awaken the inner fire of confidence and personal power. So I'd like to invite you to make yourself comfortable. Gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness to how you're breathing in this moment, just to check in, not change and not control, but to observe for the next few moments. I'd like to now invite you to just take a slow breath in and release. The next pranayama or breathing exercise we will do is a 4-second breath count in, a 4-second hold of the breath, and exhaling for 6 seconds, either from your nostrils or your mouth. So on your next breath in, inhale, hold, exhale, 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 and then breathe normally and naturally, noticing how you feel in this moment. Gently bring your awareness to the space just above your navel and imagine a radiant golden light like a glowing sunlit jewel. With every breath in, the golden light grows brighter. This is the center of your personal power. The place where courage, clarity, and confidence arise. Welcome to repeat in your mind I trust myself. I am capable. I move through life with strength and clarity. I trust myself. I am capable. I move through life with strength and clarity. Let this golden warmth spread throughout your body with the help of each breath you take. From this place of confidence, you're welcome to continue your chakra journey with me on the next meditation, where we'll tap into the energy of compassion and opening our hearts by focusing on the Anahata chakra. Namaste.